Hey beautiful, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to stretch your hair without heat using the threading method. This is guaranteed to give you a blowout look, so if this sounds like your gag, definitely please keep on watching this video. Let's jump right in. So I'm going to be using this wool thread to thread the hair. Also, I'm going to be using my leave-in conditioner, an oil blend, scissors, and combs for detangling. So I'm just going to be moisturizing my hair with the leave-in conditioner and sealing it with the oil. It's not advisable to stretch really wet hair because it could damage your hair and lead to breakage. So in this video, I actually let my hair to dry up to 90% so that it can be strong enough to take what I'm about to do. So once that's done, I'm just going to be detangling the hair. It's advisable to detangle your hair before you stretch your hair using this heatless method because you want to make sure that all your hair is put together and ready to be stretched. So as you can see, I held the roots really taut because I want to be able to stretch from the roots down, and then I'm just going to be leaving like a small piece of the hair to fall down to give it a bit of body, and then I'm just going to be wrapping the wool around my hair. So I'm going to keep wrapping it till I get to the end. So the wool was not long enough to wrap till the end of the hair, so I simply added another one. As you can see, I wrapped it round till I got to the end. So don't be scared when the wool you started with or the thread you started with did not get to the end of your hair. Just know that you can always add till it finishes the threading process. Okay, so I'm just going to keep doing that and I'm going to let you guys observe. But please, if you haven't subscribed or given this video a like, please subscribe. Please give this video a like. Doing this enables YouTube to know that this video is of value and I want to keep giving you guys value. So please do that. Thank you, and let me just let you guys enjoy. Once I got to the end of the hair, I actually tied it on the remaining thread that was dropped down. So I tied it twice and then I cut it with the scissors. Having done that, I simply went on to do the remaining part of the hair. So I repeated the process, which is moisturizing with a leave-in conditioner, sealing with an oil, detangling the hair, and then threading down. So I'm going to let you guys enjoy again. And I'm just going to remind you to please subscribe to this channel, share with a friend that has been looking for a way to stretch their hair without using a blow dryer. So in this part of the video, I'm going to quickly explain to you guys why it's important or why it's one of an added skill to stretch your hair without using heat. Now, a little bit of heat, moderate amount of heat is okay. So here and there, I'm sure you've seen on this channel that I use blow dryers to blow my hair. However, using heat all the time can actually lead to the damage of your hair follicles. It can lead to breakage, damaged ends, dry ends, and it can just make you take a step back in your hair journey. Like, it can make you lose a lot of hair. So sometimes when you're noticing that your hair is not on its optimum and you have a bit of time, I would advise that you use the heatless method, using these threads to stretch your hair, and this will ensure that your hair is stretched, so it will still give you the effect of a blow dryer. It will still making the next style easy. It will make your braider to be able to easily do your hair without it causing a lot of damage. So this is what I did, and I hope you're able to recreate that. So I am done threading the hair, and this is how it looks like. I'm just going to be packing it behind, and I'm going to be leaving this for about, let's say, 16 hours, so from half of this day to the half of the next day. And that was enough for it to dry, because as I said, I didn't start with wet hair. I started with a 90% dried hair, so it doesn't need so much time to stretch. Alright, so with that being said, I'm back 16 hours later, and I'm just going to be cutting the knots that I tied at the end of the hair, and I'm going to be unraveling. Who else finds unraveling thread so soothing? Like, even me watching this video right now, it's so entertaining because the hair is literally gliding down, and yeah, I'm even impressed with the results already. As you can see, it has helped to stretch my hair to a very great capacity, and I'm loving the results. So I'm just going to keep unraveling till I get to the end. Alright, so I'm done now, and it's time for me to comb out the stretched hair, and this ensures that any other knot, any other tangle is gone. And guys, I'm so excited. I'm sure you can hear it in my voice. I was really excited with the result, because I don't think a blow dryer can do more than this, except you're doing it for, silk press. So I'm really excited. This is the result. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, please share, please comment, tell me other video ideas that you want, and yeah guys, I'll see you in my next one. Bye.